It should be 45 generally. ID. It does not have a file. Let's say independent of. Such and such in which furniture. And it's a fitting 4523 custom, so you can create a mapping also. So this is through the UI which you are doing. Domain from custom, value from 4523. And domain to what will be the relevant commodity code. I don't know. Some is UNSP code and I will select such more. So furniture, I will search for furniture commodity. So here on which fitting storage, clothing manufacturing services. Yeah, click on save this way and creating a mapping between custom codes to UNSP codes. Now I want to map this to my list. New mapping has to be done here. You can do mapping of your commodity custom and you can give what type of services are performed. I mean, I said company code and other detail, or you can go to data import and export. Now, if you try to export your commodity code, you should see the one which you have just created. If you are getting any doubt on this thing, you can go to the data dictionary. That is commodity codes. Export commodity code, internal mapping and other things. I want to use import commodity codes. Import commodity codes. Import, ERP commodity codes. This is very simple file, unique name, name and description. This is all it needs. Field, column name. You need to see the display name. The back end. This is your material. KL will be your unique name. It gives you the details of a SAP material group. Matal will be your SAP material group code. The user visible name for SAP material group code. The user visible description for the SAP material group code, name and description. You need to provide. And whether true, true, and these two cases, none you can accept. Sample values in 0, 0, 1 metal processing. This is commodity for weather rating. The length can be 50 digits only of your commodity. Description can be no restriction.